And now designer Jaclyn Colville is going to show us a beautiful nursery.
Hey, Marc and Mandy. Today we're talking about space planning for your nursery. Now, this is quite a small nursery. It's about 9 feet by 9 feet, and we've got a lot of furniture to fit in here. So just how do you do it? Well, I want to show you some space planning strategies. Make sure that you take all of your measurements for your pieces in your space. And a great thing that you can do is literally take painter's tape and draw out your pieces. We've got a crib in here. You'll find the crib from Baby Leto. It's called Hudson. The dresser that we chose for this space is from Baby Relax. It's the Miles crib, and I absolutely love how it has little gold accents. Now we can't forget the glider. Have you thought about a glider or a rocker for your nursery? Now keep in mind, a rocker is going to give you a little bit more of a jerky movement. This is a glider, so let me just slide it into position and you can see how smooth the transition is. It tends to go on an even keel as opposed to giving you a jerky movement. So hopefully this will help rock my baby to sleep. We ended up going with a jute rug, so a really natural rug in here just to kind of lighten up the space. But then we've also added a few little light elements, mixed metals, and then we've chosen some stainless steel elements, so they really do work together quite well. Drapes, they are key as well. You're gonna want something that you can shut completely so that your baby gets a good night's sleep. And don't forget about the crib essentials. You're gonna want a really cute crib sheet. I went for something with a little bit of pattern, still tone-on-tone neutrals, nothing too bold and daring, but if you wanted to go with a little bit more color, that's definitely the place to do it. So really key to make sure you plan for everything you're gonna need in your nursery. And keep in mind, you don't have to have your glider in the nursery itself. A lot of people are actually putting these in their family room, in their living rooms, because they're just so comfortable. And when you really think about it, if you're planning to nurse, you're gonna be spending a lot of time in your chair, so choose wisely. Thank you so much for watching. Marc and Mandy, I'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.